Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to deposit in XTB Broker. So you can either do this from your trading panel, okay? So if you're on your trading panel, just come here to the bottom left, you click on deposit funds, and then from here they'll ask you to select the type of order. What you want to do is of course select deposit money. You can do this via credit card, instant payments, bank transfer, things like that. And depending on your country, you can even transfer by QR, right? You can even do a bank transfer. What you could also do is you can do this from the XTB dashboard itself. And there you just go ahead and choose your destination account. You go ahead and select your selected payment method. Okay, so if it's a mobile payment, you just scan the code that they give you and then enter the amount. You'll see how much it'll be after conversion, and then you finish your deposit. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.